my favorite quotes from Marianne Williamson is, "Our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. It is our light, not our darkness, that most frightens us. We ask ourselves, who am I to be brilliant, gorgeous, talented, fabulous? Actually, who are you not to be? You are a child of God, and your playing small does not serve the world. There is nothing enlightening about shrinking so that other people won't feel insecure around you. We are all meant to shine as children do. We were born to make manifest the glory of God that is within us, and it's not just in some of us, it is in everyone. And as we let our own light shine, we unconsciously give other people permission to do the same. As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates others." So I'm going to invite you to spend some time listening and forming your vision if you haven't already done so, and then to doggedly pursue it, trusting that Spirit will make the way when the vision becomes clear. I encourage you to step out of your comfort zone, believe in your power, live out loud, refuse to play small, and dream big. Because who are you not to? Thank you.